Hello and welcome back to Draconia Drawing. Today I am going to be testing out gradients on the iPad and Procreate. It'll be a little bit more of a tutorial than usual. I've got a new green screen, as you can see behind me, and so it's going to be great. So yeah, let's do this.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no,
As you can see, what I'm doing here is I am basically making a new bottom layer, and then I'm making paintbrush strokes with the different colors that I want to blend into a gradient right there, like this. And then I'm using the smudge brush, which is in the top of the screen, and I'm using that to blend the colors together and make a nice gradient. Now what I'm doing now is duplicating that so that it'll look the same, and erasing everything around the face that I don't want to have the gradient. So everything I want to have the gradient, but I'm erasing everything around the face. Then, so now once I finish that, I'm going to press and hold onto the colors and get the eyedropper tool to get the color, and then color in the parts that did not get put onto the onto the dragon's horns. So yeah, let's get back into the music.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
Out of the video. We're still working on getting the new setup set up. It has, you might be able to see or might not, there's a bunch of creases on the green screen. We gotta iron it out. We've got new lights, a new setup for stop motion animation. It's gonna be great. So just that will be coming next week. It'll be a video all about the new setup. It'll be a whole walkthrough. So yeah, go check that out next week. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.
Oh honey,
Peace.
though our friendship ceases from now on. If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all, is my advice.